Okay, now part 2. We're gonna texture the sword. Okay, like I told, the final texturing will be done in Max, but if we texture it in C4D, then Max will already have a reference for places where to put textures. So let me show you. What we first gonna do is subdivide the sword in different parts, because now at this moment, remember, we made a sword from one piece, so if you would put the texture on it, it would texture the whole sword. Okay, let me show you the example. Okay, we have let's say we use this golden texture. So if I drop the texture on the sword, actually everything is turned gold except the handle part. We made a part and torso and those two little walls, but that's probably not what we like. We would have the pommel different and the hilt. So how do we achieve that? What we need to do is to split the sword in different parts. We highlight it, make sure we uncheck only visible elements. Okay, there we go. Selecting all faces of the hilt, and always keep checking that you have them on all, that you select them all. Okay, right click and split. Okay, okay, now we know we split it. Now we're gonna split the lower part of the pommel. Checking out. Okay, right click, split, and we gonna, let me see, what can we do? Yeah, we actually could split the middle part of the blade, but that's a little complicated. Okay, so we split everything. Now we select, you see, there it shows the ball. It don't show us that the handle is split, but when you move this, you see that it definitely is split. Okay, so undo. We have to split the entire blade too. So back to the face mode. Sure, uncheck, and we're selecting all those faces. Yeah, if you have to add faces, keep the Shift key pressed. Okay, checking. Everything is selected and split. Okay, so you see when you move this part away now, then we have actually a copy of our sword. But then, yeah, see, we forgot to split something. We have to split the top piece of the pommel. So, okay, and split. Okay, so now actually everything is split. We have all different parts. We grab the one piece. We're not gonna use that anymore. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Come on, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 different parts that we could texture. As you can see here, the cutting line between the handle and the pommel is a little up, so we select the torus and we drag the torus to and close that line. Okay, now we gonna texture. Actually, it don't matter how you texture it now, it's just very important that you use the same texture on the same parts. Yeah, that you want to be the same. So let's say we make the blade gold. File, new material. Let me see. Just to make a difference, we pick. Okay. I actually already called it handle. And drop the handle on the handle. And we drop file, no material. We have to find a material for the handpiece, so yeah. What would be cool to drop on our handpiece? I'll just pick for now this simple gray steel-like material. We can put it on here, and we can put it on a torus, and we can put it on this top piece, and we're gonna make those two little balls gold too. So if you want to add more different textures, just do what we did and split it up in more different parts. I don't know, it looks like one polygon is a little different, but you won't see that back. Okay. So this should be our sword ready to export it to Max. Yeah. Okay, we delete this one. Always make a safety copy. File, save as. Sword 2. Okay. Select file. File, export, 3D Studio. We're gonna call that our sword Max or something recognizable. And it's saved. And actually, we can exit Cinema 4D for now and moving on to Max.